By far, Madison, Indiana is the biggest tourist area in southern Indiana, and one of my favorite places to just hang out. For starters, it has one of the best waterfronts. And you can take fast boat rides or leisurely tours throughout the summer. It's a fantastic place to walk, soak up the sun, and watch barges go up and down the Ohio River all day long. There are no time limits. A huge draw are the well-preserved homes and businesses. This is a town that was platted over 200 years ago in 1810. And there's plenty of fun places to shop and eat. You can even rent golf carts to tour the many historic streets and beautiful homes. The most well-known structure is the JFD Lanier home. It sits commandingly along the Ohio River. Mr. Lanier was a banker that single-handedly saved Indiana from bankruptcy during the Civil War. He loaned the state over $1 million of his own money to pay down debt and outfit soldiers. In 2022, that's the equivalent of nearly $18 million. The JFD Lanier home was the first Indiana State Museum historic site. Tours of the Greek Revival Mansion are very popular. Just a block west of the Lanier Mansion is the Jefferson County Museum. There you'll find a railroad depot. And you can tour an old caboose. Inside the main museum building, you'll find a comprehensive history of Jefferson County. If you take Highway 7 north, otherwise known as Cragmont Street, you'll find Hanging Rock. It's a historic waterfall beside the road and has long been a favorite place to take a roadside picture. Before the retaining pool was installed, people used to park below the falls and wash their cars. Clifty Falls State Park is one of the most amazing parks in Indiana. It has 4 of the biggest waterfalls in the state, ranging from 60 to 83 feet tall. It has 10 great trails, including the infamous Trail 2, which is considered the most rugged trail in Indiana. It's great for endurance training if you're up to the challenge. From May through the end of October, you can bring a flashlight and tour Bruff's Tunnel. Originally planned as a railroad tunnel, it's now a fun way to escape the summer heat and enjoy a little adventure. At 600 feet long, it's often very muddy and slippery. Do be advised. the park has not only a lodge but a nature center. And south of the Nature Center, a great lookout tower where you can view the Ohio River. Any season is a good time to visit Madison, Indiana. And once you visit, you'll understand why people keep coming back.